Hello and welcome to all. Hope everybody doing well. Today we are going to discuss about the project manager hacks number 11. So what is this? Team conflicts. So we all know as a project manager or MEP engineer, MEP manager, that project success depends on a team. If your team is not aligned with the project and aligned with your goal, then there will be an issue in the project and the project cannot be completed in time within budget, and there will be many consequences may happen in the project. So team conflicts, it is a very important factors in any project, especially in the MEP domain, because it's a specialized systems and there is a multiple systems of subsystems you need to handle daily, you need to manage daily, and there is a multiple stakeholders, multiple vendors, so you have to interact with many peoples every day. So and all human beings are different, all human beings DNA are different, their thinking pattern is different. So how to, at least it is not possible to match the frequency of everybody's in the same line, but for the sake of the project and completion point of view in time, everybody has to be dedicated and dedicatedly deliver their roles with 100% efforts. So if there is a team conflicts, so there is a many consequences may happen. So I will give you some of the points. We'll discuss about 6 pointers. What are the major team conflicts that we need to discuss? So the first point is the disrupted workflow. So if there is a team conflicts in the project, so which disrupt the workflow of the project, and that causing the delay of the project, delay of the timeline, it may reduce the productivity. So we'll all related to productivity also we'll discuss. And when a team member are not collaborating with the effectively due to any conflicts, then task may not be completed in time, which affecting the overall project schedule. So what is the baseline schedule that may affect? So majorly we can tell related to this particular point, that is workflow of the project will be disrupted if there is a team conflict. Next is the decreased productivity. So it's a cascaded effect, it's a cascading effect with the downline activities also, the different tasks also. So conflicts within the team can lead to decreased productivity, as team members they may spend more time resolving various disputes in the projects rather than they are focusing on their particular job which is assigned to them, all those tasks. So this can result in wasted time and the resources, and that will hindering the project progress also. The productivity will gradually decrease if there is a regular team conflict. So project manager role is to sort out the issue as soon as possible. So how to sort out the issue? If they have a prior experience, that is good, but it is not only the prior experience, everything is learnable. It's a managerial skill set need to develop, leadership's quality has to be developed, and that only bring you a better project manager in future. So everything is learnable. So next I have to discuss about the negative impact on morale. So what is this? Now, persistent conflicts can create a negative work environment, and when the negative work environment has been created, then uh, if you are hang on with this all those negative people, negative workers, co-workers, then although you are in a positive mindset, although you are goal oriented, but it will affect in your activities also, so which reflects in your assignment and project will be suffering. So that impacting the team morale and the motivation. Always when you see this kind of activities going on, automatically it will impact in your morale and you will be demotivated. When the team members are constantly dealing with the various conflicts, it can lead to frustration, stress, and disengagement, which ultimately affecting their performance and the success of the project and the success of their professional career, and it will impact in your personal career also, because everything is cascaded. If there is a conflict, project will suffer. You will not be highlighted, you will not be recognized by the higher management, then you will not get the good appraisal, you will not get the salary hike, and everything will be disrupted. So next, I have to discuss about the fourth pointer, that is the poor communication. Although we have discussed many related to the communication, which is the backbone of any project, communication, and conflicts often stem from misunderstanding and the miscommunication. And that communication within your team members, it is from top to bottom. When there is a tension and between team members, then communication channels may break down, okay, leading to information gap. So that information will not pass on from your top management to middle management to the bottom management properly when there is a conflict in between. Suppose you have a team of 10 members and there is a vertical leader of electrical or the HVAC, and that person, your subordinate, is having an issue, maybe a different reason. So he is in the different mindset. So when you are instructing him or her, and that will be not communicated properly to the downline. So there is a miscommunication and the misunderstanding also happening, which is leading to information gaps and the unclear expectations and ineffective collaboration. So all those may happen if there is a poor communication between team members. The next time to discuss about the impaired decision making. What is this impaired decision making? Now, team uh, conflicts can impact in their personal life also and the personal progress also. That decision making process as emotions may cloud the judgment and objective reasoning. Now, conflicted team members may prioritize their personal agenda. So, when the conflicted team members personalize their personal agenda, they are automatically not able to focus on their assigned job and the goals of the project, which leading to suboptimal decisions that can impact project outcomes. Project will affect when the personal decision will more important than the professional decision. So this impaired decision making will impact in the project, and that is happening due to the team conflicts. And the last but not the least, I'm going to discuss about the risk of the project failure. And this will, if these conflicts within the team members are not resolved immediately, are not addressed in a timely manner, then definitely project will suffer, and they can escalate and escalate, ultimately jeopardizing the success of the project. And unresolved conflict will reduce the turnover, reduce it will increase the risk of failure of the project sometimes, okay, because the time delay, that it will impact in the budget. The project, if will not complete in within time period, you are not delivering within time period, then there is a many consequences will happen, lead to this ultimately result in the project failure, and it will give you the significant setbacks also, which is not good for any company's reputation. It will impact in many ways with the client also. Client will be also uh, annoyed with you, and maybe you will not get the next phase job or next level job and whatever it is. So ultimately, as a project manager, it is your responsibility to manage your team with effectively, so that during the project there will be no such issue. But issue will come. Is every day there is a new day. Every day there is a multiple challenges people are facing, and the project is a war. It's a. I always say it's a war site. So people in the war front is a ground level. So where every time you have to take a new decision. So it is not only study the all the technical, all the things related to your MEP systems. So today I'm going to focus on the managerial skills and the leadership skills, which is very much required. And I'm always giving the 80 to 90% weightage in this area. 10 to 15% weightage I'm giving the systems knowledge, which is, I know that if you're an engineer, definitely you know the basic and fundamental of the systems, but you need to be prepare yourself for the entire MEP systems, which is everything is learnable, as I told always. So if you want to learn about the fundamental and basic of MEP systems and MEP project management, additionally you need to learn the project manager qualities, that is the leadership qualities. So all together I have created one platform name is MCG Hub, where you will get an access of all these systems. There is a digital learning and the live learning, live classes also is available. So if you want to go related to this subject, if you want to get more details, then go to this MCG Hub, join the community. Everything is given in the description box. Just go there, click there, and join the community, where you will get more details about this MCG Hub and all. And I am frequently doing the webinar in the Sunday 11 a.m. So when you join this community, you will get the details about that free webinar also. Join there, your mind will be blown, and you will get more insights about the MEP system, MEP project management, and the leadership qualities, which is very much important. Thank you for listening and watching. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye.